Have you noticed what's happening on the roads these days? Transformers are driving around, artificial intelligence is keeping an eye on drivers, and autonomous systems are taking over trucking jobs. Stay updated with TechZone. Let's get it on. Even the military's keeping an eye on Kodiak Robotics technologies. A couple of trucks equipped by this company have successfully completed over 100 trips. So, what does Kodiak Robotics do? If you closely observe the truck cabin in the video, you might have already guessed: autonomous driving. The system responsible for it is called Kodiak Driver. It uses cameras, radars, and lidars to drive so efficiently that it reduces fuel consumption by a quarter. Plus, trucks with Kodiak Driver can operate almost around the clock, stopping only for refueling, diagnostics, loading, and unloading. Is this the future of long-haul trucking? The EX9 team has entered the autonomous transport sector, but they're not just developing technologies for these robotic trucks, they're also focusing on the unmanned transport as a service model. After a successful pilot project with DHL France, EX9's future looks promising. The team claims their solutions will boost productivity by 30%, cut CO2 emissions by over 90%, and reduce accidents. The EX9 Autopilot uses AI algorithms and computer vision to know where and which trailer to pick up, where to park, and when to recharge. Plus, there's remote control for added safety. UN statistics show that 20 to 50 million people are injured in traffic accidents all over the world each year. How can we lower these numbers? Seeing Machines offers a solution. They point out that many accidents are caused by human error. Drivers get distracted when they're on their smartphone or drinking coffee. They get tired and more. That's why they should be monitored using the Guardian Generation system. Using cameras and AI, it detects when a driver is tired or distracted and alerts them with visual, audible, and vibration signals. The system can even notify the fleet dispatcher. Would you drive knowing AI is watching you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Spy car cabins not only serve as sleeping cabins for drivers, but also help save fuel. Thanks to advanced aerodynamics, fuel consumptions can drop by up to 15% in some cases. That's a compelling reason to consider purchasing one. Plus, the added comfort is always a bonus. To appreciate it, let's take a look inside the Spy Car Max XL cabin. While the space may not seem large, it is enough for a 70cm wide bed, as well as equipment like a TV and refrigerator. There's also room to store items such as spare clothes. Additionally, the updated interior of this cabin includes extra insulation. The next system is designed to simplify work with tanker trailers. It's available in various versions, but the idea is more or less the same: retractable handrails. They usually operate via a pneumatic system and move up and down at the press of a button. It doesn't matter whether the trailer holds milk or gasoline, these handrails will always be useful. They can also be installed on just one side and feature automatic folding. For example, depending on the position of the brake pedal. The engineers at BPW have developed a clever axle that allows you to steer the trailer while reversing. The first and most obvious advantage of this upgrade is improved maneuverability. Turns, driving in a circle, and parking become much easier. The second advantage of the axle is financial. A truck with an upgraded trailer will save 1,000 litres of diesel and 4 tyres over an annual mileage of 100,000 kilometres. The third most technological advantage is self-monitoring. Thanks to the ARC system, the axle engages at speeds below 10 km per hour and operates fully automatically. Welcome to the future of crane work. For Palfinger clients, it's already here. Engineers at this company have created the PK1650 TEC truck-mounted crane. It lifts 32 tons and outperforms competing models in terms of sophistication. The PK1650 TEC uses several advanced systems. AOS, which dampens vibrations and shocks, HPSC, which calculates the permissible working range for any boom angle and any support situation, and SRC, which automatically adjusts the length of the rope. Additionally, the crane's memory allows operators to quickly retrieve previously used settings with a single motion, which is especially useful if the operator frequently works on the same sites. The specialists at Knappen are reimagining bumpers. It might seem like there's nothing more to add, since the main purpose of bumpers is to protect vehicles from serious damage in minor collisions. But Knappen has a unique vision. They've created a bumper for trailers that can raise by 20 centimeters. Why is this necessary? Because many countries regulate the minimum distance between the trailer bumper and the ground. On rough terrain, this distance can become too small, leading to potential damage. Knappen's bumper is remotely controlled, and its position can be monitored from the cabin using the indicator lights on the trailer. iMet is also ready to surprise us. This company specializes in equipment that turns ordinary machinery into remote-controlled systems. iMet is prepared to work with virtually anything, from simple machines to tunnel-boring machines, and create control panels that perfectly match the customer's desires. In this case, we see a relatively compact solution. However, larger panels can have up to 9 joysticks, not to mention a 4.3-inch color display. The panels also feature a sensor that reacts to dangerous positions or falls, and the iReady system guarantees that nothing is broken if the operator accidentally presses a button. With it, remote control will only activate when the operator points the controller to a specific location and remains within a designated radius. The MRL team is offering an innovative printer that attaches to a truck and prints road markings at incredible speeds. Each element of the marking takes less than 30 seconds. The printer uses special thermoplastic paint, which retains its color and integrity for many years. It's also very durable, with some types used only on runways. With this printer, workers not only work faster but also more safely, especially when applying markings on busy highways. SteelBro believes that they make the most valuable side lifters in the world. These machines turn ordinary trucks into self-sufficient vehicles. Containers can be placed anywhere quickly and easily, and you can even load them in pairs. If needed, containers can be moved directly from one trailer to another or onto a flatbed rail car if conditions allow. During unloading, the long boom reach is really useful for stacking containers. The top Steel Bro model can lift an impressive 45 tons. Even with stabilizing legs, it moves swiftly and can be controlled remotely, offering 2 speed modes among other features. Sounds like a fantastic deal. It's no surprise that Steel Bro loaders are among the best-selling worldwide. This transformer trailer is made in Switzerland, not for flashy YouTube videos, but for efficiency. In local roads, drivers have to pay a road tax even if they drive an empty trailer. But now, the driver can fold it up and only pay for the towing truck. This saves money on both taxes and tires. It also makes the transformer trailer more maneuverable than its regular counterparts. If needed, the folded trailer can be swapped out for a regular one. The Mat-Jack landing safe lift bags are an air-based system designed for controlled lifting, holding and lowering various equipment, from bulldozers to trucks. One version of the system can support up to 86 tons, enough to lift an M1A1 Abrams tank. You can rest assured that the system won't be damaged by the tracks. But the most impressive feature of the Mat-Jack landing safe lift bags is their incredible reliability. Developers claim that no additional equipment is needed during operation. Here's another trailer option for transporting cable drums. This one is built for off-road use and is sold by STU Trailers. It's controlled via remote control, allowing operators to work from a safe distance. The trailer's clamps move along a horizontal axis, which is a unique feature. For more details, STU Trailers recommends reaching out to them through their website. The Sleipner DB45 trailer offers 2 standout features. It's both low bed and off-road capable. This trailer can be coupled with a dump truck and can transport heavy equipment like tracked bulldozers. With the Sleipner DB45, you can get to the worksite faster and avoid unnecessary wear on the undercarriage. The developers note that the undercarriage can last 2 or even 3 times longer than usual. The trailer can carry up to 45 tons, making it suitable for heavy machinery like drilling rigs and excavators. Plus, the low-bed design saves time and reduces stress for operators. These unique arms from VDL are designed to handle heavy loads. The flagship model can lift up to 40 tons onto a trailer. Even more impressive are the VDL CAN Plus and VDL Eye Control technologies. The first lets the driver control the arm manually, as well as in semi and fully automatic modes. The second focuses on safety, stepping in if the truck tilts too much to either side, preventing accidents. It's clear why VDL is a leader in the Benelux market. How can commercial freight transport be made safer? Stone Ridge offers a solution with Mirror Eye, their digital rear-view mirrors. They replace traditional mirrors and provide the driver with much more information. Now they can see blind spots, clearly monitor the trailer during turns, and when reversing, Mirror Eye automatically switches to panoramic mode. The digital mirrors don't fog up, don't glare in the sun, and aren't affected by snow. They display an HD image on two 12.3-inch monitors in any weather. Additionally, trucks with digital mirrors consume about 3% less fuel. Check out this trailer. It not only carries up to 36.2 tons, but also changes its length. When fully extended, it stretches to 15 meters, outperforming many competitors by far. A truck with this trailer can carry multiple units of equipment or long loads like building materials. Its capabilities are enhanced by a low-profile design and the adjustable Cush 25K air suspension, which ensures perfect road clearance. And to impress you even more, we looked up the trailer's price. It's around $90,000. Raul Cordenida has logged hundreds of thousands of miles driving trucks. Like many drivers, he struggled to find good food on the road. When you're traveling from one rest stop to another with questionable diners along the way, eating well can be tough. That's why Cordenida invented a mobile grill that also works as a stove. He started Grill Hall to bring his idea to market. The grill's best feature is its mounting system, which attaches to the truck's chassis behind the cab. It also includes a hitch mount for pickup trucks, and one version even has a built-in step. It's a clever design, but it can seem pricey. The most advanced model costs $1,500. Hilton Communal equips vehicles with these rail cleaning systems, which are particularly effective at polishing tram tracks. Using shearling technology, these systems feature special scrapers and brushes, along with a high-pressure system of 800 bar to clean even complex areas with switch tracks. Additionally, built-in suction components can handle up to 25,000 cubic meters per hour. All this equipment is arranged so that the vehicles can operate smoothly on both roads and rails, with dimensions that allow them to be driven into subway tunnels. When a truck carries waste in an open container, there's a risk of it scattering across the road, causing issues from unpleasant odors to accidents. The driver behind the truck doesn't expect a cardboard box or something heavier to hit their windshield. The R-Cover system can help prevent these problems. It's installed on containers up to 90 cubic meters and looks like a net or a tarp on a rail system, similar to curtains. The R-Cover can be opened and closed in just 7 seconds. The system is custom-made for each container, ensuring a perfect fit. The Moros GCL-170 is a trailer designed for handling scrap metal, specifically for crushing unwanted vehicles. To make the process more convenient, the trailer is equipped with a crane. The receiving section is long enough to load entire cars without needing preliminary disassembly. The Moros GCL-170 is powered by its own diesel engine, and its dimensions comply with road regulations in many countries. The engineers at Benelux-Lagras have found a way to upgrade trailer gates. Typically, these gates simply swing open, which isn't always convenient. For instance, if the trailer's parked in a tight space, there's a risk of hitting another car, or people nearby could be struck by the gates if left slightly open and unsecured. To solve this, Benelux designed gates that first swing open and then slide parallel to the trailer's walls. This innovation can be operated without leaving the cabin. The Hoplo system helps drivers handle blind spots. It's a radar system with customizable settings that displays data clearly on a screen. To prevent false alerts, Hoplo checks each detection 5 times before notifying the driver. The system works in all weather conditions and is suitable for various heavy machinery like forklifts and excavators, as well as trucks. This truck upgrade combines simplicity with practicality for a wide range of drivers. After all, who would say no to an extra box, especially if it also doubles as a step? It's made from 3mm thick aluminium. The sellers are asking $637 for the box, and note that it fits many popular trucks from Peterbilt, Volvo, Freightliner, and other well-known manufacturers. Naturally, the box seals tightly to keep dirt and water out. If the steps get damaged or worn out, they can be removed and replaced. When folded, the railgate platform fits against the trailer doors. When extended, it transports loads back and forth. What an upgrade! It'll be especially appreciated by drivers who deliver goods to stores every day. Depending on the model, the railgate platform lifts either 1,134 or 1,361 kilograms. All platforms come with a compact and inconspicuous toggle switch by default, which automatically turns off after 5 minutes of inactivity. An optional remote control can be ordered, as well as a power switch for the platform, which can be installed in the cabin. And if you don't yet have a truck, the creators of Railgate offer smaller models for vans and pickups. The team at Globe Trailer has also figured out how to make truck drivers' workdays easier. They manufacture dump trailers, which make unloading much faster. Currently, the Globe Trailer lineup includes trailers ranging from 9 to 11 meters in length. If the size doesn't fit, the team is ready to discuss custom designs. The trailers come equipped with an automatic cargo covering system and provide drivers with a lower center of gravity for greater stability on the road. And of course, customers can choose from more than 150 color options. The Hammer drum loader is quite a unique trailer, designed specifically for working with cable drums. This focus explains its low profile and the integrated pair of cranes. The 2024 model can lift up to 52 tons, making it capable of handling drums up to 4.2 meters in diameter. To ensure stability, the trailer uses retractable supports. Customers are thrilled as there's no need to coordinate with a forklift anymore, and the time required to prepare the cable for movement has been reduced from an hour to just a few minutes. Right Track Systems makes the best removable tracks on the planet. Not only do they improve a truck's off-road capabilities by 500 or even 1,000%, but they're also fully repairable. The installation of the tracks takes just an hour. They're ready to handle muddy roads, snow drifts, and sand. There are options with particularly aggressive tread patterns, as well as spikes for driving on ice. The tracks are designed so that the wheels don't slip, even with heavy snow and mud. Plus, the experts at Right Track Systems work on custom orders, allowing them to adapt the tracks to nearly any kind of equipment. Long-haul truckers face enough challenges without adding uncomfortable seats to the list, says Needler. Since 1946, they've been crafting the most ergonomic and durable truck seats in the world. Needler's craftsmen work on custom orders, allowing drivers to choose the options and materials they need. Want natural leather? No problem. The standard seat features a 15-degree backrest tilt, a 3-chamber lumbar support system, air suspension, and can move forward and backward along an 18cm track. Plus, you can add options like heating and massage. ATEC L Thermo manufactures advanced refrigeration units for cargo vehicles. The company thrives, working with clients in the Middle East where temperatures can reach 45 degrees Celsius even in the shade. Their systems perform excellently in extreme heat. The TR1500S model, for example, is designed for trucks up to 25 tons, cools up to 45 square meters, and is ideal for transporting frozen products. EZTOW-T is a cool, removable towing system designed with budget-conscious clients in mind. However, once installed, a truck with EZTOW-T doesn't fall short of a fully fledged tow truck. EZTOW-T can lift 9 tons and tow up to 18 tons. It comes with a remote control, making it easier for a single person to operate. A variety of additional option packages make working with EZTOW-T even more convenient.